So here's my PID temperature controller all wired up. So this here, that's my temperature sensor, that's my thermocouple. So that'll go into the barbecue where I want the sensor to read. This is my Inkbird 106, ITC-106. So this is my temperature sensor. So this is my current temperature reading, the red one, and the green is what I've got it set. So you can see I've got it set to 17 degrees and currently it's 19 degrees. So this is wired up to a 12 volt power pack, you can see up there. And then my fan is wired in to the output and my thermocouple is loaded to the input. So when this is below, when the temperature is less than what I want it to set at, the fan kicks in. It'll blow air into my barbecue, flame up the fire, and bring the temperature up. Then when it cuts in and out, and it's got some algorithms built in that it knows how quickly it's rising, so it calculates when it should cut off, so it cuts out when it to get it to temperature, not when it hits temperature, so you go over. So it should, apparently, so I've got to obviously check that. But if we go up, so at the moment I'm sitting at 17.1. So if I just change that up to say 20, so my fan cut in and then cut out, and now you'll see it'll just cut in, cut out, because it's not far off the temperature. So if I keep going up, so it's now 30, so it's got a steady, this fan is steadily blowing, and I don't know if you can hear the wind, but I can feel that nice and cool on my face. So that's quite cool that I've got a little fan to kick in, and that'll help maintain my temperature. So this is going to be for my barbecue. I'm going to get another K-type sensor, so I can have one on each of my barbecue. I don't know if I'll use it on the offset. I've built this for the UDS. So now all I've got to do is work out how I'm going to frame it, how I'm going to get that to mount, so that way, obviously I can't mount that straight to the unit, to the box, because it will just melt, being plastic. It's just a 12 volt computer fan. It's only 0.13 amp, so it hasn't got much draw. So anyway, that's my temperature controller PID.